Welcome back, children, to a new chapter in your EVS subject, lesson number 7. I love Gujarat. Children, do you know where do you stay? Yes, you stay in Surat. There are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. Among these 28 states, we have Gujarat as one of the state. Where do you reside? That means Surat lies in Gujarat. Gujarat state came into being in May 1960. It is situated on the west coast of India. The state is bounded by Arabian Sea on the west and its neighboring states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Children, now take out page number 51 and start reading with me. It is a flamingo. Every year it migrates to Gujarat. Flamingo is a state bird of Gujarat. Flamingo is a bird which comes from foreign countries. Along with flamingo, other birds also come. Birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. Children, let us understand this. You can see in the picture given on left side, the picture is of a bird who is flamingo. And this flamingo travels from South America to Gujarat to find favorable conditions for it to survive. Children, not only flamingo, other birds are also there which travel from different countries to Gujarat. Children, now you will be thinking, what are these migratory birds? Migratory birds are birds which travel from one place to another at regular times, often over long distances. These birds migrate for food and for their nesting locations. When they don't find favorable conditions in their areas, they travel from there to other places for survival. Now children, let's move on to page number 51 again. It seems Gujarat has come. This time I have to see entire Gujarat. Children, flamingo has travelled long distance from South America to Gujarat, and this time it wants to visit the entire Gujarat. As it reached Gujarat, it met Chinkara. Chinkara says, "Come, brother flamingo, you are welcome in Gujarat. I will show you the desert of Gujarat." So, children, as soon as flamingo reached Gujarat, it found a friend called Chinkara, and the Chinkara says that I will show you the desert of Kutch. Flamingo says, here more quantity of salt is produced, isn't it? Now, flamingo is very curious to know that more quantity of salt is produced in Kutch. Most quantity of salt is produced in Kutch. Yes, children, more than half of the total production of salt of our country is produced in small desert of Kutch. In addition to that, the Kandla harbour located in the Bay of Kutch is the second largest harbour of the country. International trade is promoted here on Kandla port. Children, do you know what is desert of Kutch? It is also known as Great Run of Kutch. It is the largest salt desert in the world. This is inhabited by the Kutchi people. Children, it is also designated as World Heritage Site. Run of Kutch was part of the sea until an earthquake turned the exposed sea bed into a sprawling desert. Children, every year Ran Utsav is organized here. People from all over the world are visiting the Great Run of Kutch to experience this unique festival, that is Ran Utsav. Children, this is Kandla port Kandla, officially Deen Dayal Port Trust, is a seaport in Kutch district of Gujarat state. The part of Kandla is India's hub for exporting grains and importing oil and one of the highest earning ports in the country. Major imports entering the port of Kandla are petroleum, chemicals, and iron and steel machinery. It also handles grains, textiles, and salt. Now, Flamingo says to Chinkara, "Fine, today you have introduced me to Kutch. I have to see entire Gujarat. I will leave now. Bye bye." Children, today we visited Run of Kutch and Kandla Port. We will meet in my next video with some more destinations of Gujarat. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.